Hey guys, for this video I'm gonna... Nice to meet you. Let's see how people react to that. Are you familiar with this campus? Sort of? I don't know where. I'm lost. I've been in this spot for like 6 hours straight.
Oh wow, okay, tell me where you want to go.
Where's the nearest Starbucks? Just if you can just point it down or whatever.
I don't know, like I don't know whether it's open, like meaning.
Oh, are they closed?
Fridays? Yeah, Fridays.
Oh man, Friday was my white girl Friday. Ah, it's all right. Anyways,
but Starbucks is basically like where this thing starts.
got you.
Covered thing.
Got you.
Turn left, you'll get into the student union,
Okay.
and it's on the second floor.
All right. All right. Nice to meet you.
Okay. So, anything else you wanted?
Thank you so much for being the sport. Thank you. Well, what a woman. She's laughing. Did you see how the lady hesitated? She's like, she swallowed the pride. She's like, all right, fine. Starbucks, yeah. I'm trying to get like a white girl drink or something.
You can go straight. There is the student union building.
Oh, okay, student union.
Yeah,
I got you.
There is a cafe.
All right, thanks, Ben. You're a nice guy for helping me out. Sorry, I was like, it's nice to meet you, dude.
I'm in a hurry.
You're in a hurry? I got. No, you're good. You're good, man. You're good. You know this campus pretty well?
Honestly, I lost myself.
I got you. What's your name?
I'm Marshall.
Marshall, nice to meet you. Marty, nice to meet you. You actually shook my hand. I just sneezed. You got an immune system? That's the best thing, man.
It's better than yours.
Oh!
I spent 40 months in Iraq eating the worst food you could possibly imagine.
Oh, well, I appreciate the service then. Hey, man, what's going on? Are you a student here? Student, nice to meet you. Do you know where any of the places are? Like, do you know where like Chick-fil-A is or anything like that?
You go straight. This is big.
Oh, okay.
You go straight at the end. You will see student union.
Okay.
You take the second floor.
Okay. Perfect. Where is it? Oh. God. All right. Hey, something like that?
Go straight down,
Straight?
and then you'll see sliding doors on your
Sliding doors? Okay.
Go up the stairs,
Okay.
and then kind of follow the path inside and just check the There'll be some board to guide you there.
Oh, perfect. Okay. All right. Thank you. Sorry. Hey, well, my name's Marty, by the way.
Sorry?
My name's Marty, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
We're
I
just.
have a tissue anyway, so it
Oh, you should use a tissue. You know where Starbucks is? Do you know where any of the places are over here? Starbucks, yeah. Down there? Okay. So what was your name?
Clement, what's your name?
Mardig. Nice to meet you. Mardig. M-A-R-D-I-G.
Mardi.
Like Mar, like Mario, then dig, like you're digging or something like that.
You students here?
What's that? I'm a student here, yeah.
So what's your major?
Major, I'm doing business marketing right now. Yeah. Thank you. So I'll start once.
I'm going towards that side.
Nice to meet you.
Towards that side, yeah. I'm going towards that side.
Thank you. Sorry, 1 second. Alright, I'm just gonna stop right there. They don't know at all. Just cut it.